Hello, everyone. There's another way to use the Apollo software, which is through Apollo extension. And how we can use it is as Apollo, we would be writing Apollo Chrome extension in Google. So this is from where you would be getting the extension. I've already added the extension, so the ones who do not have it would click on to add to Chrome. Once you're done with downloading the extension, you would go on to the extension from the bar and you would be switching on LinkedIn, Gmail, and all websites. What it would basically do is once you would be reaching onto any website, for example, I'm going on to the website of ProRecruit. Once it's completely loaded, you would see an icon at the right side, which is for Apollo. Once I click it, it would be giving me the details about various things about ProRecruit, like its website link, its LinkedIn, its Facebook, the total number of employees, which somehow have been mentioned in Apollo. And we can also see whether which industry it lands into. It would tell us the number of employees which are currently working. We can assess their details through this platform as well by clicking onto what it is basically giving us is the email, the number, and the private number as well. The private number is paid. For example, if I go on to LinkedIn from here, it would automatically take me to the Pro Recruit page. And over here, I can see the number of employees that have been working in the company. And we can also generate the details by going on to the specific profile and clicking on the extension again. It would be giving us the email, the number, the private number is being shown over here as well. So this is one way how we can use Apollo extension for generating the emails, the numbers.